Honestly, drugstore makeup has been killing it lately, and today I'm going to share the top 5 products you need in your collection, and you can get them all without breaking the bank. I'm a star, 'cause I slay. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm KBC Beauty, your go-to bestie for beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. If you want to join the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, okay? Period. So let's jump straight into it. First things first, you need a good moisturizer and a good primer. These go hand in hand together. And today I'm using my Bioma Moisturizing Gel Cream. And you definitely need a moisturizer and a primer because if your skin isn't hydrated and smooth, your makeup is just not gonna sit right. So let's go in with the moisturizer. This Bioma moisturizer is very lightweight, and this is good for oily girlies. So yeah, just pick whichever moisturizer and primer works best for your skin type. Next is a foundation of your choice, and I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation. Love the shade match on this foundation. Just gonna work that in and blend it out. I also did a foundation review for this one, so make sure you check out that video. Next is a cream bronzer of your choice, and today I'm using the Morphe. So Morphe just released some new cream bronzers, and I'm super excited to try out their products. I never tried any of the Morphe cream bronzers. Cream bronzers are a game changer. You want to apply them to areas like your cheekbones and your temple, on your forehead. I like to apply mine on my nose as well. Do a nose contour. And apply some on my chin, jawline. Bronzer just adds warmth back into your face. And it also gives you definition and just bringing back the life into your face. Now for concealer, I'm going in with 2 different shades. This one is from Juvia's Place in the shade 10, and this one is from e.l.f. and this is in the shade Medium Sand. Next is a liquid blush of your choice. Today I'm using the liquid blush from Juvia's Place. And this is in the color Blush Lily. And I'm adding the blush to the highest points of my cheekbones. And you always want to get a liquid blush and then go in with a powder blush on top. So let me go ahead and blend that out. And with the blush, just focus it on the high points of your cheekbones and blend it into your temples. And the same thing on this side. Do you see how that just blended so perfectly? Yes. So now I'm gonna take one of these puffs and blend out my concealer. I just started going back to this technique. Normally I use a brush to blend out my concealer, but I was looking at one of my old videos. I'm like, hold on, I used to be using one of these powder puffs to blend out my concealer, and it used to definitely eat. So I'm like, let me start going back to the techniques I used to do. And just blend out that concealer. Next, I'm going in with the Volume 4 Blush Trio from Juvia's Place. Super cute. I'm gonna go in with this pink. Actually, both the pinks. And this is where I'm gonna set that liquid blush. With your blush, just make sure you are putting it on the high points of your cheekbones and blending it up to towards your temples. Y'all, my makeup is eating right now. Like, it's literally eating. If you want a more detailed makeup tutorial, just make sure you stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be doing more detailed makeup looks for beginners, because as you can see, your girl be slaying, okay, period. So last but not least is mascara. And today I'm gonna be testing out the new Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So let's see what's to this mascara. Okay, Maybelline, I see what y'all did with this mascara. As you can see, before and after. And the thing I love about this mascara also is it gives you volume. It gives you a little curl with no clumps. So definitely go ahead and get this new Maybelline Colossal Mascara. And it's only $10. So it's very affordable. Y'all, this is the finished look. Literally slayed my makeup per usual. So there you have it. I just listed off the top 5 drugstore makeup products that you need in your collection. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you have not already. And comment down below your holy grail drugstore makeup product, and I just might use it in my next video. Okay, y'all, make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Bye.